Your Highness, let me begin with the reiteration of profound gratitude to His Royal Highness Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz, Crown Prince and Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, for the generous hospitality extended to us during our recent visit, led by Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif, from 6th to 8th of April 2024 in Haramain Sharifan cities. The government and people of Pakistan have deep regard for the kingdom, the custodian of the two holy mosques, His Majesty King Salman bin Abdulaziz, and His Royal Highness the Crown Prince. The delegation led by my brother, His Highness Faisal bin Farhan, which includes Excellencies Ministers for Environment, Agriculture, Water, Industry, Mineral Resources, and Investment, together with the Secretary General of the Saudi Pakistan Special Committee and senior officials from the Ministry of Energy and Public Investment. Your Highness, it is indeed a great pleasure to receive this high-powered delegation in Pakistan, and within a matter of few days after our visit in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia last week, I can't recall such a high level and impressive group of dignitaries visiting from the Kingdom to Pakistan in the last 35 years of my political career. Today we had comprehensive discussions covering various aspects of our multifaceted cooperation. I must say and acknowledge that I am deeply impressed with His Highness' wisdom and his ministerial colleagues' contributions and of the entire Saudi team in our deliberations this morning. We discussed ways and means to transform our fraternal, cordial relations into a mutually beneficial strategic and economic partnership. We greatly appreciate the keen interest of the leadership of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in enhancing investments in Pakistan. This visit provided the Saudi delegation with the first-hand experience of the Special Investment Facilitation Council, which serves as a one-window platform for the fast-track decision-making and promoting and facilitating foreign direct investments in Pakistan. Using the SIFC platform, Pakistan is committed to strengthening investment processes, updating regulations, and enhancing infrastructure. This commitment aims to foster a flourishing economic environment and establishing Pakistan as a hub for investment and innovation, ready for significant investment inflows in Pakistan from Kingdom and other friendly countries. We are optimistic that the detailed briefings presented to the high-powered Saudi delegation at SIFC today about the extensive investment opportunities in our agriculture, IT, mining, energy, and other sectors have successfully highlighted viable and attractive investment opportunities and options, effectively capturing their interest under the leadership of His Highness, my dear brother, Foreign Minister of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Pakistan is committed to providing Saudi investors full support, relevant safeguards, and conducive environment for investment. Honorable Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif has directed SIFC and relevant ministries to move forward on investment projects in a diligent and time-bound manner on fast track. We look forward to continued government-to-government and business-to-business engagements as we take steady strides on the journey we have started today in the leadership of His Highness, the Foreign Minister of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and his delegation. Let me reiterate my heartfelt gratitude to His Highness and my dear brother, Foreign Minister, and his team for a very short, but I believe a very productive visit to Pakistan. I thank you all.